doctor?
Yeah, chikitsa.
Chikitsa?
Yeah.
Chikitsa?
Yeah.
How will you become doctor?
I will become.
You don't know Hindi meaning of
I
doctor.
don't know Hindi. Yeah. What is Hindi? Can you tell me that? What is Hindi?
You know about English?
Yeah.
Can you tell me 5 tips of English?
Yeah. English is very best language.
How
English
can
is
you say that English is very
What? Why?
best language?
You.
Can you prove?
What?
Can you prove?
Yeah, I can prove because many people speak English and like English. So I think people English is very best English, and English is international language. You know.
International language.
Yeah.
Can you prove English is international language?
Yeah, I can prove, but I want proof because you don't know about English. So how we
Even now you speak that I know about English. English
Yeah.
is international language. So
Yeah.
why are you not telling
but
about English?
But you don't know about English.
I know English.
So why are you asking?
I don't know about why is international language of English.
You don't know.
I don't know. So I'm
Oh.
asking to you.
Okay,
You
I
don't
will
know.
tell you. But
I think it's not cup of tea.
oh my God, how come you that?
Of course, I can say that because you are not telling me. So I think it's not cup of tea.
Oh, but it is my cup of tea. You're saying so. What can I do?
It's a cup of tea.
Yeah, it is my cup
Can
of
you
tea.
tell me 5 lines of English?
Yeah, English is the best language. English is international language. English is a very hard language.
Hard language.
Yeah. Etc.
Etc. etc. I
Yeah.
think you are speaking only for 3 tips of English.
Yeah.
But why?
Because
You know about English, so why are you not telling me?
I know English. I know about English. English is okay. Again, tell English. Okay. I think you should ask next question.
But why?
Because even time I have no idea.
You no idea.
Yeah.
So
That how will I tell?
okay. You would like to become doctor.
Yeah, I would like to become doctor.
Um, who speak? You will. You should become doctor.
No, I it is my thing that I will become a doctor.
How will you become doctor?
I will become doctor by read and practice.
Practice.
Yeah,
Practice.
yeah,
I can ask about bio.
yeah.
Bio.
Yeah.
Who's father of biology?
Biology?
Yeah.
I don't know.
You
tell.
don't know.
You tell.
How will you become doctor?
I will become. It isn't depend of.
Which type would you like to become doctor?
I will become doctor big.
What big? मतलब which type?
Uh,
Whose area will you become doctor?
I will become. I can't tell to you
But why?
because you will take my dream.
What?
You can take my dream.
I can't take.
Yeah.
Your thinking is wrong.
How
You
come
know very
that
well.
my think is very wrong?
I can take your dream. How can I take your dream?
I can say because you are asking this type again and again, so I seem
You
that
will become doctor, so I think you know about doctor, so I am asking to you. But
no, even
but
time
I
I
think
don't know
it's
about
not
doctor
cup
because
of tea.
even time I listen my word.
I am listening your sentence.
Okay. Even time I am not a doctor, so
Even
so
time you are not doctor, I know. But
Even
you
time
will
I'm-
become a doctor.
yeah, I will become
So
doctor.
I am asking to you about doctor.
Oh, okay. But I will tell some.
Doesn't matter
Okay,
this
doesn't
topic.
matter.
What's the role of education in your life? Can you tell me?
Yeah, I can tell, but I won't tell.
But why? I think
You
I
read.
don't know.
You will read.
What read?
You will read.
What read? I am asking to you that
anything.
I am asking to you that what's the role English of your life?
English.
Yeah.
English is a very best role in my life. English is a very good language in my. English is a very important in my life. Only for
That's all.
yeah.
Why do you go to spoken classes?
Because
I
it's my
think
need.
it's your need.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter. What will you do teaching coaching